Hi, welcome to Updawg-Yoga. Today I'm going to show you legs up the wall pose. So there's 3 positions that we're going to do today, and we are going to use a yoga strap. If you don't have a yoga strap, you'll be just fine. You don't have to use a yoga strap. So the first position is just where you stretch your legs out and bring your feet together. And this is the shape where you're just sitting up like this. This is the shape that we're going to take when we put our legs up the wall. And you have the option to use a yoga strap around your thighs. The second position that we'll take for legs up the wall is to bring your feet together and your knees out to the sides. Okay, so you'll be lying on your back like this, and your feet will be together and your knees out wide. Okay, and then the last position is you'll just stretch your legs out into like this wide angle shape, this V shape, and you can spread your toes. If any of these positions become too much, please come out of it. You can always come back to seated and sit and meditate and all that good stuff. Everything should feel good. So let that be your guide. The last thing is your breath, is you should breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. You never have to hold your breath, okay? So the last thing I'd like to show you is if you do have a yoga strap and you'd like to use the yoga strap. I don't think I've tried legs at the wall with a yoga strap before, so I want to try it just to make sure it's nice and relaxing. So you'll thread the strap between both of the buckles if you have a yoga strap like this, okay? And then you'll thread it through the last one, and you can pull it tighter or looser, and this will go around your legs like this, just around your thighs. You can put it between your calves, that's fine too, wherever you'd like. Okay, if you don't have a yoga strap, you'll just do the same thing just without a yoga strap. So make sure you have a wall. So from this angle, you'll sit close to the wall, and as you lie on your back, you'll swing your legs up the wall. So take your time, use your hands and your forearms. And you can scoot your hips closer or further away from the wall. It's really up to you. I'm gonna scoot closer. Relax your arms either down to your sides with your palms up, or you'll bend your elbows. And then this is all you have to do here. Close your eyes, relax your face, soften your jaw. This time as you tune into your breath to melt into the floor. Breath in, slow, deep breath out. You can hold this for a few minutes, up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I think 10 minutes is probably max. That's probably enough time to let everything flow in reverse. Your blood flow in reverse, to flood your lymph nodes, and to feel more relaxed. Stay connected to your breath. Soften your face again. If your knees are bent, that's totally fine. You can bend your knees here. We'll just take 1 more minute here to melt into the floor before we change shape. So do a body scan again, relax your shoulders, let your fingers curl. Soften your face, soften your jaw. You can also imagine like a good thing here would be a sandbag on your feet. 2 more breaths. And if you do have the strap, this is where you can remove the strap. We won't need it for the rest of the time. And then from here, change shape to that second shape. So you bring your feet together and your knees out. It's a little more challenging than it is when you're seated because you're upside down, first of all. But you also have the resistance of gravity pulling your knees down. Like my feet keep sliding. I'm not doing that. It's just gravity bringing my feet closer to my hips. So again, you can reach your arms out, down to your sides, or you can bend your elbows again. Close your eyes here, relax your face. Slow, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Find the ocean-like rhythm to your breath. And if this becomes too deep, because we'll take 2 more minutes here, if this becomes too deep, feel free to just stretch your legs out. You can always come out of it completely. That's fine too. Just find your breath. Breath in through your nose. And breath out through your nose. Breath in. And breath out. I'm starting to feel a little bit too much of a stretch, so I'm going to take my feet up a little bit more. Soften your face again, relax your jaw. Return to the ocean-like rhythm to your breath. Breath in. Breath out. And that's actually 2 minutes. So you can continue to hold this another minute or 2. If you're ready to move on to the last pose, you can extend your legs up. So first, knees together. Extend your legs up, just like we did at the beginning where your legs are up the wall. This time, take your feet wider, like that. And then naturally, gravity will open your legs wider. So if it becomes too much, please bring your legs together again, or come out of it completely. I am limited on this leg. There is a wall here, so I may just have to scoot a little more this way. There we go. So spread your toes, or even relax your toes here to make this a relaxing pose. Hands on your belly, or reach your arms out. Close your eyes, relax your face again. Connect to your breath. We'll take 2 minutes here. Relax your face again. Soften your jaw. Melt into the floor. My legs keep sliding. And if your legs are shaking here, that's okay. It just means that energy is moving. So let's take 3 more breaths here. Of course, you're welcome to stay as long as you would like. And then to come out of this, you'll bring your feet back to legs up. Roll to one side. You can make a pillow out of your hands. Take a breath on your side. So bend your knees, roll to your side. It's like fetal position. And then use your hands to help yourself up to seated. So press yourself up. All right. Come into a comfortable cross-legged position. You can bring your hands to your knees, and we'll just close with 3 cleansing breaths. So hands together, close your eyes, deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in through your nose, deep breath out through your nose. One more time. Thank you for sharing your practice with me. Namaste.